In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off auto-renew on GoDaddy in 2025. Managing your domain renewals is an essential part of keeping your online presence organized and under control, especially if you're aiming to handle your expenses more efficiently. So let's walk through this process together step by step. First, you'll want to head to GoDaddy's website. Simply open up your web browser and type in godaddy.com. Once the page loads, you should see a sign in button in the upper right corner of the home page. Go ahead and click on that. If you're using GoDaddy frequently, you're probably already familiar with this step. After you click sign in, you'll be directed to enter your account credentials. Enter your username and password to proceed, and then click the sign in button again to gain access to your account dashboard. Your dashboard is where you manage all aspects of your GoDaddy account, including domain renewals. Now that you're logged in, look to the top right corner where you should see your profile icon. Click on the profile icon and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Renewals and Billing. This is where you can monitor and adjust all your subscriptions and renewals for domains or other GoDaddy products. After clicking on Renewals and Billing, you'll be presented with a list of all the domains and products you currently have through GoDaddy. Carefully locate the specific domain or product you'd like to turn off auto-renew for. Once you've found it, glance to the side for a button with 3 dots. This is your next click. Clicking that 3-dot button will bring up additional options. In this menu, you'll see the option to turn off auto-renew. Click on that and a prompt will appear asking for confirmation. You'll need to confirm your choice to proceed, so click Cancel Renewal to make it official. Interestingly, if at any point you change your mind, remember you can easily turn auto-renew back on. Just return to the 3-dot button for that specific domain or product and this time select Turn on auto-renew. This feature ensures flexibility should you decide later to maintain automatic renewals for convenience. So, there you have it. You've successfully disabled auto-renew for your selected domain or product. This method allows you to take full control of your domain management and billing, ensuring no unexpected charges occur as your renewal dates come around. Being proactive about such renewals not only helps in managing finances better, but also avoids any potential disruptions in your domain services. And that's all there is to turning off auto-renew on GoDaddy in 2025. Thanks for watching and be sure to stay tuned for more helpful guides.